You woke me up right now. Why did you do that? I saw a note on my desk. It's right there. Oh, yeah. The note said, you want to come with me on the garage sales? Well, you know, I can't get up that early. Yeah, I ought to go sometime. Yeah, maybe you should. Well, before you go, I'll tell you, before I go, I got a knock-knock joke for you. You got a knock-knock joke? Well, it's not really a knock-knock joke. What kind of joke is it? If it's not it's a puzzle joke. Okay, tell me your puzzle joke. When is an elephant's trunk? Well, excuse me, why can an elephant's trunk never be 12 inches? Why can an elephant's trunk not be 12 inches? What you just didn't understand. Yeah, well, okay, so why can an elephant's trunk never be 12 inches? Because then it'd be a foot. That's funny. Isn't that funny over there? Don't talk to the help over there. Oh, right. I gotta go. Anyway, enjoy this video, the garage sale. Well, there's always a trade-off in living in the beautiful state of Louisiana. We have hurricanes. Hurricane Ada is in the Gulf. So, going to be here Sunday. But that means we got to do garage sales today. Unfortunately, most of them blown away. And there's only one left to go to. So, let's check that out. Let's see if we can make the best of the hurricane situation. So let's get started. Morning.
Good morning. You interested in an umbrella table?
Do you have any video games?
No.
No video games?
You have video
How about
game?
Funko Pops?
A what?
You don't know what Funko Pops are?
No, no.
They're like bobbleheads and everything.
No,
You got toys, right?
Right here, look.
You got toys, right? You got any
bobblehead.
superheroes?
Take her with you. Come on, Mama, let's go.
That's pretty cool. Well, I guess this is garage sale number 2. It's back there. This is a community, so this is good. Hey, boy. How you doing there? Said, oh, you're doing okay. Good to see you.
I know, it's nice.
He's your official greeter, huh?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, some people don't like
No, that's fine. And she's got the best seat in the house. Oh, she's willing to give up her chair for a little rub in the neck. How you doing, buddy?
Aw. So you gonna walk or do we drive? I'm driving.
Nope.
I'm driving.
Excuse me, dogs.
I don't know how far away all the other ones are. Okay, I'll drive around.
You got any video games?
Bring more stuff back here.
No, I think it's just movies, DVD movies. I don't think there's any.
How about Funko Pops? I know you don't have Funko Pops. You probably, I'd see it.
Probably not. I just
Superheroes? Batman, Superman, anything like that? Okay.
I don't think so.
Superheroes?
You all have success. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, this is number 3. And last one, I suppose. We'll find out. Sandpiper place.
I'll get it close. All right, appreciate it. How you doing, sir?
Thank you. Enjoy.
Oh, well, thank you, Will.
Lots of hours of entertainment right there.
Oh, it is. So nice. When I just now, the back before, that's why I had my wedding, we had a fun job.
Oh, there you
You
go.
say, well, that's for the kids? No, that's hell no for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Well, too.
Good morning. How are you? How are you this morning?
Good morning.
Good
How you
morning.
doing this morning?
Good. How are you?
Good. You picked a good week to have a garage sale, huh?
I guess.
Big hurricane coming in.
Look, I did not time that on purpose. It just happened like that. I got
Well,
lucky.
you know what? You can't. If there's one thing you can't do, there's 2 things you can't control. You can't control the weather, and you can't control the government.
Right?
I don't see it, but I'm going to ask anyway.
Sure.
Do you have any video games?
Do not.
Do you have any action figures like Batman, Superman, Star Wars, characters like that? Do you? And I already know the answer to this one. Do you have any Funko Pops?
I do not.
Oh,
Do you know what they are?
yes.
You got one on your
That's
shirt,
right.
huh?
That's right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I sell these at Jockey Lot.
Oh, okay.
That's where I'm going right afterwards. I've got a booth at Jockey Lot. I sell toys.
Oh, okay. Good
And
deal.
especially the Funko Pops. They're like little bobbleheads.
Little pop
basically-
culture people? Like little pop culture people?
Yeah, I suppose all ages, all generations has it. They're basically licensed figures that maybe the Star Wars movie, Jerry Seinfeld show, Cheers. Then you got the icons like Captain Crunch and McDonald's, and you have everything. You got sports heroes. If they breathed air, they're probably a Funko Pop. They got the presidents of the United States, historical characters. They're real popular. Funko, in fact, they sell them. They sell them GameStopper, Walmart, Barnes and Noble, and Walgreens.
The Jockey Lot.
And they're people call and Jockey Lot. That's right. She could be my sponsor. Thank you, dear.
All right, thank you. Good
Anyway,
luck.
success on your garage sale.
Thank you.
I can't see anything I could sell, that would fit in my store. That's
There you
what I'm
go.
after. You have a good one, folks.
You too. Thank you.
Have a good one, sir.
Well, it looks like this is number 4. This will be the last of our trek, I think. We'll find out. Makes you feel welcomed, huh?
No, I want to put some junk mail in them. So you need one of these?
Oh, yeah. Give me one of those.
I might share with you.
Oh, just like one.
Oh, I might share with you.
I didn't even see those.
You're too late.
No.
We have those. How much is your white mouth jar? A white mouth jar.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
You in my house. The jar.
those here. I mean, if you take the whole box for $3. The whole box.
All right. Thank you.
Do you have any computer games? Like
No, I don't. I had some earlier.
How about
but some
regular games, like regular characters like Batman, Superman, action figures? How about Funko Pops?
What?
Like this. You probably don't know what a Funko Pop. You know what a Funko Pop is?
I got an 8-year-old that loves Funko
Yes,
Pops.
we
Okay.
get into little Pokemon Funko Pop.
Okay. Well, it's always a long shot. You know, sometimes I found some good ones. Most of the time, not too often, but you never know. That's why I stop. I sell at Jockey Lot. I've got a
Wait,
little booth
okay,
over
I've
there.
been into your little
You see me?
booth. Yes, with the all the Funko Pops. Yes, yes.
I also have a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and that's you know, I feature things at Jockey Lot
Gotcha.
and things I sell and buy garage sales. Things
Okay,
like
cool, cool.
that. So anyway, success. Y'all have success. You sure picked a good day to do it, huh?
No.
We got the hurricane coming, and there it is.
We could have never predicted that.
The Hurricane Ada story.
Yeah, well, we committed to this, I mean, weeks ago.
Yeah, well,
So-
no, you could put a little sign saying, "Big hurricane sale."
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Get it while you go.
Yeah.
You folks have a good one.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you, sweetheart. Good luck on your Funko find.
Well, I think that pretty much concludes this sale. We did pretty good overall as far as the amount of garage sales. It's just nothing good there for us and everything. Maybe you saw something, and I frequently, when I watch these videos over, I see something and say, oh, I should have got that. Why didn't I see that? What's wrong with me? Well, that's another subject. But anyway, thank you for coming with me on the visit. But let's see what's next. Stay tuned. And now this brings us to Joseph. Joseph of San Diego, California. Joseph got Bucky. So you're going to enjoy this very much. Action figure. It'll go out to you today. And keep up the good rates. Well, we got 3 orders on this over the weekend. We want to thank Dave from Monterey, California. Dave got himself a coffee pot. This is a Protex Silex. They don't make them any more. This is a very special one with all the different points that are mentioned here. 2 to 12 cups. Anyway, never been open. Going to you. We also want to thank, now this is interesting. The name is Subject to Change. I don't know what this is, but anyway, they got the purse. Now, you probably figure that don't look like a purse to me. You can put it in a bag, but this purse, as you can see, is a small little beanbag purse. It really needs, very intricately put together and everything like that. So, Subject to Change, you got a nice order going to you in Brooklyn, California, New York, Brooklyn, New York. Everything California. Oxford, Mississippi. Now that's pretty cool. Bree, Oxford, Mississippi. She got herself a George blazer. Never been worn. Brand new. Congratulations for that. And so we want to thank you all for the orders. We'll look forward to some more. Okay, folks, let's thank Francesca of Kingswood, Texas. Anybody up for tennis? She got this beautiful tennis racket. That's what it looks like right there. Congratulations. And remember, it's 30 love. 40 love game. Okay, folks, we got a couple people to thank. We're going to thank Byron of Riverside, California. Byron got the War Doctor, Doctor Who, a very popular pop Doctor Who. There's a lot of them, the 12 or 13 doctors or more. Nevertheless, they got that one. And also we want to thank Valerie. Valerie likes diamonds, even if they're from Dallas. Well, I don't know if that's true, but she definitely got Diamond Dallas Page. Thank you for the orders, folks, and we look forward to more orders. That's all this. It says a Hort hits Hort. Here's a who? A what? Anyway, forget that. We want to thank Estella in Yonkers, New York. She got this brand new first matching game set. And this is interesting. It's a Black Heritage game. It's never been opened. It's still a very nice looking game. I think you're going to enjoy this immensely. So thank you very much for the order. Boom! What's that sound? That's the sound of Camille. She got right there. Well, actually, it's right here. Camille got the fox. Apparently, one fox to another. Anyway, it's Robin Hood Fox. So congratulations on that. It's going to go out first thing today. Remember, it'll go out with a... Why am I doing that? Well, maybe Jennifer would like it. Well, maybe not for me, but she would definitely like it from the Hulk Hogan. She just got this wonderful ultimate anthology of Hulk Hogan. Congratulations to that, Jennifer, and let the pythons do the work for you. All right, you guys, we got someone to thank. Renee of Mendota, Minnesota. It's cold there. We got you some pajamas here. These are Victoria's Secret pajamas, so you're going to like these. They're 100% cotton, ready to go. Thank you for the order. That's what it looks like right there. Well, we're on the heels of the Hurricane Ada, so I'm going to get this message out. Hopefully you get it without any storm. But we want to thank Rachel. Rachel got, I don't know where I put it. She got the New Orleans Saints hat, and oh, sorry, Rachel. I'll touch it up before I send it. Oh, that's right. It's clean. I did wash my hair. It was Saturday night, so this is Sunday morning. We also want to thank Troy of Conroe, Texas. Troy is a big Lego man, evidently. He got a whole box of these Legos. There's a picture of them right there. I put them in this bag, but you can kind of get an idea. So they're all sealed and packaged and ready to go. Folks, thank you for the order. We appreciate it so much. Now pay close attention. Pay close attention. I'm going to do something for the last time. It's going to be an explosion. It's going to be kaboom. The kaboom looks like this. This kaboom, the last time, is because this kaboom sign is going to Karina of Hollywood, South Carolina. Hollywood, South Carolina. I think that must be where all the rest of the stars are. But thank you for the order, Karina. Well, folks, we were very close to Hurricane Ada. She was right next door, and she did a damage. But nevertheless, it slowed down my orders. And I was so concerned about getting it out in time. Matt of El Paso, Texas, I went ahead and boxed your order. So it's ready to go tomorrow. But this is what Matt got. He got those Lego specials in those boxes. A very good purchase. A very good buy. And we thank you for that order very much.
war, Sirach. Live long and prosper.